Okay, guys, we're gonna do a little uh, video of how to buy dip buys. So this stock, UONE, it halted going up. It halted at 43.12. It's this top left square right here. This is my trading platform. Anyways, it halted going up at 43.12. So usually these stocks, when they resume from the halt, they open up higher. They open up depending on the price range, but this one opens up higher. And so what I was looking for was, so it could do one of two things. It could either resume higher and squeeze for a bigger move, or it could open higher, pull back, and then make a move higher. So the safer entry, of course, is the dip buy after the halt. You're getting in at a safer spot. Then if it dips and it continues to go lower, you're in at a lower spot and not up high. That'll multiply the loss pretty big, tremendously. So here we'll take a look at the way we traded this stock. Remember, it halted at 43.12. Right now you can see 44 on the bid, 44 on the ask. It does not mean it's going to open at that price. It's just that's the number it's at right now during the halt. But the halt level was at 43.12. So we'll see. We'll give it a few seconds and you'll see that it resumes from the halt. I'll pause it as soon as it resumes. So 43.12 was a halt going up. Okay, so 43.12 was a halt going up. Now it's at 44.50 and 43.45. So it resumed higher. So we're gonna see a squeeze up. So 44.45, 45.50. Okay, there's a squeeze. 44.80, 44.90, 46, 46.50. Okay, so here you can kind of see that it's turning it. It peaked. So now we can see selling on the bid, or actually we can see selling on the time and sells. So that means it found its peak and now it's kind of pulling back. So this is where we look for entries on the pullback. Now it's tricky because where is the pullback? How low is it going to go before it finally turns around? So if you get in too soon, you're going to get in when it's barely pulling back, and there's a chance that it could still keep going lower. So timing it is very important in the stock on pullbacks, on dip buys, because you're trading against the trend. So we'll take a look on the way I traded this one. I was watching for a dip. I could see that 39.60 was the halt going up, so there was a potential, there was a chance that it could come down this low. If it did, definitely I would get in on this level, 39.60. Chances of it halting going down once it's this extended is very slim. Okay, so we see red, okay, 44.70. So I'm looking for another flush, 44.30, 44, looking for another flush, okay, 43, boom. Okay, so I saw, okay, that's pretty extended there. So I jumped in at 43.36. The low, I believe the low of this candle was 43.25. So about 11 cents from the low. That's a pretty good entry. I only got in with 60 shares, so I did not want to go in with heavy size. I could have, but I only had like $5,000 in buying power, and I did not want to go all in just in case it kept going lower. Be able to salvage that trade. So anyways, I got in at 43.36. Okay, right away I'm up $1. 43.36, 44.31 on the ask. So if I sold on the ask 44.31, that would be up $1 per share, just about $1 per share with 60 shares. That's almost $60. Okay, so 44.50, they're 44.98 is the ask. So I'm up over $1 per share, like $1.50 per share on 60 shares. I mean, on that dip buy. So you see why buying on the dip is, you get better entries. They are more riskier, and I am putting the orders to buy on the bid, which is this side, the lower priced of the spread. Okay, so I sold half. I'm down to 30 shares. Sold half at $45. I'm holding the other half for the bigger move. Now I'm up. Now I'm up $46. So from $43 up to $46, so $3 per share, and I ended up selling it there. Let's see, we'll step it back just a little bit. Okay, 44.50, one, 44.70, 44.98, 44.97, 44.98, 44.98. There's fixing to break 45, and I sold there at 45.92, something around that price. So almost $3 per share on that trade from that dip buy. And as you can see, I sold way too soon. This thing break 46, 47, a whole dollar per share on that break. 47.80, almost $2 from my exit. It hit a high 47.80, $48, 48.80. Okay, so these are, it's really fast. So 48, $49. So from my entry at 43 up to 49.50, almost halting going up. So that's about $5, $6 from my entry. Of course, I sold way too soon. And you just don't know how much they're gonna go higher. Now it's at $50, almost 51. This stock was pretty strong. So we'll step back and we'll play them in real time so you can see how quick these trades are. And it's just a matter of watching the level 2 over and over again, training your eye to okay, so here resumes from the halt. This is real time. I'm not gonna pause it. It's a high 46, 46.50. I see it selling off. Okay, getting ready to buy on the flush. I need a hard flush. Boom, threw my order to buy. I'm in it. Okay, yeah, I'm up nicely. So half. Boom, sell the other half, and I'm done. I'm done with that trade. So that's a dip buy. You know, buying. I think I've got my order at 4 cents above the bid on dip buys. Now, remember these stocks are these trades are a little bit more riskier. You're buying on the dip. You know, you're buying against the trend. So timing is very important. As you can see, I got in 11 cents up from the bottom of that candle, which that's a pretty solid entry. And it just takes time to be able to tell how low it's going to go, the stock, how extended. Most likely, most of the time, whenever you see a hard flush, that's usually the low is pretty close. So that's kind of what tells me, okay, this is a possible entry here. All right, guys. Hopefully that helps some of you guys. I know it took me a while. I've been trading for almost 3 years now, and it's taken me a while to, you know, get these nice entries. It just takes, you have to put in time and effort. It's not something that you're gonna learn it right away. You just have to study, and you'll get there eventually. All right, guys. Any questions? Just let me know. Thanks.